Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are all very happy. Is it correct, children? Yes. In previous class we learned about prepositions. Today we are going to learn about articles. What are articles? Articles are words that we use before the noun. Okay. What are articles? A and the. These are called articles. Okay, let us know where we should use a and the. Before that, we are going to learn about what are consonants and what are vowels. Okay. See children, first of all, everyone you know alphabet from A to Z. Yes, Mama. From these, A, E, I, O, U. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 letters are called vowels. What are the children? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. Okay. Except these letters, we can't form any word. Mostly we can't form any word. Okay, ma. And except these letters, remaining all are called consonants. What are that? See, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are called consonants. Okay children. See, now pronunciation of vowels. See how we are pronouncing. A, E, I, O, U. Now see pronunciation of consonants. Simply we are telling B, C, D, F, G. Yes, Nama. To pronounce vowels, we are taking more time. A. See, consonant B. Simply we are telling. Yes, Nama. See, where we should use A and the. In front of consonants, we use A. Okay? In front of vowels, we use A and. Where we should use this the? We use this the before a specific persons, specific places, specific things. Okay? Through activity we are going to learn. Okay children, are you ready? See children, what is this? Very good. What is this, ma? Kite. Yes. First letter what is there? K. K is consonant or vowel? Very good. K is consonant. So, in front of consonant, what we should use? A and the. What children? Very good. A. In front of consonants, we use A. A kite. Okay. Next I am going to take another picture. What is this children? Can you recognize? Very good. What it is? Umbrella. First we should observe first letter. What is first letter we should observe? What is their first letter? U. U is consonant or vowel? Very good. U is vowel. In front of vowels, what we should use? Very good. A and an. An umbrella. An umbrella we will tell or not, ma? Next, what is this picture children? Can you recognize? What? Sky. See ma, sky is general or specific? Very good. It is specific. So, in front of specific things, what we should use? Very good. We should use THE, the. The sky. is this picture, ma? Onion. First letter what is there? O. O is consonant vowel. Very good. It's vowel. In front of vowels, what we should use? Very good. A and an. Where and? Here. An onion. An onion. Okay? Next, what is this picture? Bell. What is first letter? B. B is consonant or vowel? Very good. It is consonant. In front of consonants, what we should use? A. A. Bell. Okay. Observe, children. What is this picture? Moon. When we can see this moon? Very good. At night time. Yes, ma. This moon is specific or general? It is specific. So, in front of specific things, what we should use? Very good. The. The moon. Next, observe this picture. Can you recognize? What is this? Good. What is the first letter? G. G is consonant or vowel? Very good. It is consonant. In front of consonants, what we should use? Very good. A. A. Good. See, children, what is this picture? Very good. Aeroplane. Asma, what is the first letter? A. It is consonant or vowel? Very good. It is vowel. In front of vowels, what we should use? A. An. Very good. An. An aeroplane. Next, what is this picture? What, ma? Newspaper. Yes, ma. Newspaper is general or specific? Specific. In front of specific things, what we should use? A, an, otherwise the. Very good. The newspaper. What is this picture, children? Insect. What is first letter? I. I is consonant or vowel? Very good. Vowel. In front of vowels, what we should use? A, an. What, ma? An. Very good. Then where is the an? Here. An insect. What is this picture, children? Stars. When we can see stars? At night time. Is it? Yes, ma. Stars are general or specific? Specific. So, in front of specific things, what we should use? Very good. The. Then we should keep here the stars. Okay? What is this picture, ma? Very good. Deer. What is first letter? D. It is consonant or vowel? Very good. It is consonant. In front of consonants, what we will use? A. Okay. A. Deer. Okay. Understood the game now? Now, Rahat is going to play a game. Rahat, here I arranged some names. Okay. You should take one picture, read that name and tell what it is coming there. In front of that, A is coming, An is coming, otherwise Da is coming. Okay? Yes. Start.
Jar.
What is that?
Jar.
Jar. What is first letter?
J.
J is vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Then in front of consonants what will come?
A.
What will come?
A. A.
What will come?
A.
A. Very good. Next.
Carrot. In front of consonant.
What is first letter?
C.
C is consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Then in front of consonants what will come?
A.
Okay. Next.
Ant.
What is that?
Ant.
Ant. What is first letter?
A.
A is consonant or vowel?
Vowel.
In front of vowels what will come?
A and an.
A and an. Very good. Next, take any picture.
Stars.
What is that?
Stars.
Stars.
Specific. So in front of stars, the will come.
Very good, Rahat. More.
Orange.
What is first letter?
O.
In front of O is vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
In front of vowels what will come?
An.
Very good. In front of vowels what will come?
An.
An. Next, what is left?
Moon.
Moon. Moon is general thing. Specific.
Specific.
Specific. So in front of specific things what will come?
The.
Very good. Now you understood where we should use A, where we should use an, where we should use THEDA.
S.
Very good, Rahat. Children, same in this way, you should also play a game with your parents, brothers, cousins and send video in Telegram group. Okay? Thank you.